Good morning. How you doing? What's going on? This video gonna be about daylight savings time, and it's an overrated experience. I think back in the day, growing up as a kid with it, it really was like a trigger. Some people you talk to will say, "Yeah, an hour makes a difference up," or "I gain an hour," or they'll say, "Oh, I got this, I got that." But um, for me, it's not really a big deal. Once you wake up, God willing, and you see it, you're in the moment. Some people are like, well, it's an hour up, an hour back. I'm like, it's still the same. I mean, I'm sitting there like, I remember many a time what it used to mean used to be after Labor Day with the Jerry Lewis telethon and stuff. And that used to be like daylight savings time, the clock goes back, but it get colder and all that. And then when you fast forward into like April, but now it's like November after Halloween, and then it goes back in like February or something like that. But it's kind of like an overrated thing. It's like one of them things that I wish they just leave it alone. Because after a while, your adjustment is within your adjustment. It's like, okay, people don't even really think about it. Because now the other thing where daylight savings time is not such a biggie is if you have a cell phone or iPhone or pad or, whatever you have that's automatic, your clock automatically does it for you. So it's not like you're like, oh, you know. So messing with clocks and all that now are not even relevant because they really don't play a part. If you got your phone automatically on your TV with your cable and all that, it automatically does it for you. So it's not the way it once was. It still affects some folks, but again, is it really that much of a drastic change or something that you say, oh man, I'm gonna miss this hour or I'm gonna gain that hour? No, the bottom line is you take yourself to sleep, rest within your capacity, and make the most of it. So, um, that's kind of how I'm looking at it. It's not the way it once was for me, but it's different for different people. But does daylight savings time still getting an hour or losing an hour really matter to you? I'd be curious as to get some thoughts and opinions about it. And do you think that it's still relevant? But anyway, that's my thoughts and takes about daylight savings time. Because even though it's an extra hour, it doesn't feel any different. I pretty much, you know, I saw the clock go one way, but still feels like what it is. So anyway, give me your thoughts and takes. Hit that subscribe, hit that like, and when the bell rings, is a new video. Have a good day, and let me know if an hour has made a difference in your day from yesterday. Peace.